Men's health is a problem. Men do not go to doctors. Men do not seek medical advice. Men consider themselves invariably to be very self-sufficient. And the reality about conventional medicine is we know that we live in a high-stress society. Diseases are increasing, heart disease, stroke, autoimmunity. They all have a huge role in people's emotional being and their stress levels. And medication and medical therapy per se is not the answer to a lot of those emotional distress. I think the problem is actually identifying your issues rather than concealing it all up. And places like this are safe areas for men to feel like they can be vulnerable and open themselves up. My name's Tony, I'm 46 and I'm a doctor. Here I've found an ability to be more open and to want to share that I haven't felt in other similar type of environments. I found it safe, it's well run, the food's awesome. This particular retreat appeals to a wide range of people. You have a wide range of ages, a wide range of occupations and experiences, and whether people have done work like this before or have had years and years of self-journaling, this retreat has an ability to unify those experiences together. The facilitators appear well experienced. They seem to have a good knowledge and grasp of a breadth of this sort of work, and they seem to be able to tailor it to the particular individuals that are present. And they seem to also have a very good knowledge of the participants here and what they wanted. Other men should come to this men's retreat particularly for its warmness, its acceptingness, non-judgmental, and its simplicity.